I will abide by, follow and uphold the provisions of the institution and the bylaws of this association, and I will obey the policies and legal orders promulgated by duly constituted authorities of ACAA. As a qualified abadan, I promise to promote and support the endeavors of the college in whatever way I can and strive hard to keep my alma mater proud. I further swear to remain steadfast to the philosophy and core values espoused by this institution